Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be kind of short video because I will introduce you to my new baby plants, which I bought a couple of days ago. They are still enjoying some sunlight in my window and they have a kind of quarantine. So yeah, let's introduce them to my family and to my friends. And welcome back. Okay, let's start this short introduction. Okay, first plant, it's a type of aloe vera. It's succulent and is gasteria, which I really want to have it. Have a small like teeth here and have those kind of like drops, brighter one. So I'm super happy to see how it's gonna develop in the like new season. Yeah, that's super cool. I really want this plant so long time, and actually it's so much more joy since I can grow plants from small ones. It's the same with when I propagate plant and they are so like babies and I can see how they develop, and this is so cool for me. So that's my first plant. Another cactus, it's cactus gold lace Cooper King. And I was like, wow, what the heck? That's super cool and interesting plant. I can see the name, it's Mammillaria elgonata Cooper King. So you can see it's super weird and have a small hair around, like very circle. They are super sharp actually, but I think it's very interesting cactus. This I'm very looking forward to see how it's gonna develop and grow. So that's super interesting. Another one, I get a chance to have it, Hoya Lisa. Hoya australis lisa, which I lost in this winter. I think it get overwatered and also get probably lack of light. And same happened with my Hoya wyatt. I don't have any more, but I could absolutely see this is new. Hoya lisa is coming. I really check if they don't have any pests. I spray them immediately and now they are chilling in the window. Yep. Another plant where I used to have it, but unfortunately I don't think I throw it because it was like never ending story with trips. So I was like, okay, I'm done with this plant. So this looks very promising and it's super cute and have some pink leaves you can see here. They're still growing. So I think it's gonna absolutely be very cool growing now in the season. I can't wait to repot it. And finally have again ficus, because that's ficus. Rubber plant Shreveriana. Rubber plant Shreveriana. That's what I thought. Yeah, so that's super cool also. Welcome to family. Okay, another one, it's plant named Croton. It's Codiaeum variegatum. And to be honest, I never have this kind of plant. And have some like pink developed variegation inside. And since I know, because I checked like big ones and they looked very cool. They have a lot of variegation, like pink one or yellow. So the leaves, the bigger they get more colors, which is super cool. So yeah, I'm also super excited. Now I want to repot them. And the last one is Opuntia. And it's Opuntia, let me check it, Monacantha. It's Opuntia monacantha. Or another name for this plant is dropping prickly pear cactus. So yeah, which is super cool, I think. Have some kind of like, I don't know if you see, but like very creamy pinky dots. So yeah, I'm also super excited to develop this plant. And I have lately very big need for like succulents. I don't know, maybe I'm just a little bit curious about them, because I remember when I started to have like my plant journey, then I got some succulents, but then I of course overwatered them and they died super easily. So yeah, I think I have a new chance for myself for that, and I will probably gonna do it. Okay, I just give them second proper pest control spray, and I put them actually to just a little bit like watering thing, because they were super dry. The pots are just nursery and they are very small, so yeah, that's how it's gonna be now, at least for 1 week. And then if they're super cool and super pest free, then I will repot them. Okay, I ordered plants from my favorite store. It's Bunker, but I am just a bit worried because it's very shaky there. So we'll see what I'm gonna have it. I'm extremely stressed. Okay. Then I have some guides here. And also I have a list what I order with plant passport. Okay, I'm stressed. Or maybe I shouldn't be. Actually, sounds much more harder than I thought. Okay. This is the first plant. And is Aglaonema pictum tricolor. Okay. Super beautiful. But let me check if they don't have any pests. But I'm super excited. I always want to have an Aglaonema. This is my first one, and to be honest, looks awesome. I want to have a big one. Super cute. Okay, another plant I order. It's my second in collection. In general, maybe fifth, but unfortunately, I lost over the winter. And I'm gonna unglue this. Ta-da! And this is Anthurium veitchi. So I'm super excited. It's super small, but we'll see how it's gonna grow. I'm gonna check pests. Perfect. And now one of my wish plants. I was looking for this plant so long. So it's just a bit dirty because it gets shaked, but it's Hildewintera colademonsis, which is known something like monkey tail. I think it's super cute. Yeah, it's super nice. I really like this plant. I want to have it for so long. So yeah, that's it. That's my 3 new plants. And good because I have been buying soil mix. First I'm gonna take care of them, clean them just a little bit, put them on the box so they can actually rest just a little bit. And then after 1 or 2 weeks, they can enjoy with the rest of the family. Okay, so my new plants are already clean, and also I spray them with some pest control for thrips and also for any other like spider mites. So I hope they're gonna be fine for now. They're gonna stand here in the kitchen. I'm gonna observe them for a couple of days and then I'm gonna repot them. Probably to bigger pots. I love them. So nice. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciated the new followers. Welcome to my channel again. And also your comments in my last video. It's really helpful and it's really cool to see like you actually enjoy watching my plants. And yeah, so that's gonna be it for this short video. I hope you enjoy it and see you next time.